Welcome. This is TBI Journey, where in 2015 I received my third brain injury, and this is step by step how I put my life back together.
Plan, plan, plan. Beginning my day with drink of choice, I have chosen to do coffee in a very unique way. Not too many people know about this. So I'm going to take these ice cubes, I'm going to put them in this cup, and I'll be back in just one moment. For anyone interested, those were frozen espresso shots that I got from a local place here in town. Let's make sure to fuel our bodies for the task ahead. Recipe down below. Welcome! I'm TBI Journey, and in today's video, we're going to be diving into the topic we all go through from time to time. This topic can be overlooked in our conversations about traumatic brain injury. Our topic of today is sickness and depression. This video will work well for both, so stay tuned. The tips and advice should help along the way. Don't worry, I'm here to help. Living with a traumatic brain injury can be challenging, and cleaning, while seemingly mundane, can add to that challenge. The difficulty comes even more significant if we're dealing with illness or depressive episodes. Don't worry, I'm here to help with guidance and strategies, some tips and tricks that might be helpful. Let's get started. Method number 1 is to make a roadmap of what needs to be completed. You can't form thoughts if it's just a cluttered mess in your head. Check out some of my most important tasks or MIT videos. I'll link some below in the description for anyone who needs some inspiration. This would be most helpful as we continue in this video. Shall we continue? Let's start with cleaning habits. This is your cue to get up and join me. Let's knock some of this out together, shall we? I'm sure something can get put away, or let's do this together. Establishing regular cleaning habits is critical. It's okay to start small, simply making your bed in the morning, or tidying up your living space each day can make a world of difference. Not only will this help maintain cleanliness, but the routine can also provide a sense of order and accomplishment. If I may, I'd like to share a personal experience. Watch out for this video this summer. I'll be posting it then. Segment number 3, cleaning schedule, is up next, so stay tuned. let's go ahead and complete some of our tasks together for just a moment and jam out and have some fun. Now moving on to the next step, create a cleaning schedule. It might seem tedious, but it can help to break down the overwhelming tasks of cleaning into manageable chunks. I will be putting out a part 2 for this video on this topic, so stay tuned for this video. Breaking down overwhelming tasks or cleaning schedule. I'm not sure the title. I'll link it below in the description if you're interested. I really hope this helps my viewers out. For example, you could designate Monday for the kitchen, Tuesday for the trash, Wednesday for the wash, and so forth. Remember, all tasks may be a challenge with the TBI, so having a visual schedule can act as a reminder and a guide. Let's talk a little bit about skills. If handling cleaning tasks seems overwhelming, ask for help. Consider hiring a professional service if possible. With time, you can gradually take over some tasks as your strength permits. Don't rush it. Patience is critical here. Be kind to yourself as you learn new things. Getting someone to help can also assist you to see how much progress you have made along the way. They can offer feedback on the work you are doing. Also, might I add, you are doing a great job making it to number 4. I'm so proud of you. Let's keep going, shall we? Finally, I can't stress this enough. Rest. Listen to your body. If you're tired or overwhelmed, it's okay to take a break. Remember, your health and well-being is the priority. Cleaning can always be done after a break. Rest when your body tells you to do so.
So there's a video over here. If you like content like this one, there's a button over here. Click it. Thank you for your most valued currency, your time.